हेलो दोस्तों। वेलकम टू बैंकिंग अफेयर्स। इस वीडियो में हम दिसंबर फर्स्ट वीक के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, जिससे कि आपको आने वाली वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे। ओके, तो चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। ये हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन। द रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया रिसेंटली इंक्रीज द cap on promoters stake in private bank. How much percent of the paid up voting equity share capital of the bank? So this is 26%. Okay, 26%. अगला क्वेश्चन। विच स्टेट हैज़ इमर्ज एज द पोरेस्ट स्टेट इन इंडिया एट ऑल डायमेंशिएशन इन द इनॉग्रल नेशनल मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स रिलीज बाय नीति आयोग? सो दिस इज बिहार। ओके, बिहार। बिहार इज द पुअरेस्ट स्टेट इन द कंट्री अकॉर्डिंग टू नीति आयोग। अगला क्वेश्चन। हु हैज़ बीन इलेक्टेड एज द फर्स्ट woman president of the Indian Mountaineering Foundation? So हर्षवंती बिष्ट। ओके, हर्षवंती बिष्ट। अगला क्वेश्चन। चेरी ब्लॉसम फेस्टिवल इज सेलिब्रेटेड इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट? सो दिस इज मेघालय। चेरी ब्लॉसम फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेटेड इन मेघालय। अगला क्वेश्चन। रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया हैज इम्पोज्ड ए मॉनेटरी पेनल्टी ऑन of 1 crore on which bank for holding share in the borrower companies of an amount exceeding 30% of the paid up share capital of those companies? So this is State Bank of India. State Bank of India. अगला क्वेश्चन। Which general insurance company has partnered with Tropgo for the distribution of drone insurance products? So this is Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company. Okay. अगला क्वेश्चन। The first ever herbal festival has been held in which state UT to promote tourism? So this is in Jammu and Kashmir tourist, Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory. अगला क्वेश्चन। Which bank has launched India's first credit card made from recycled PVC plastic? So this is HSBC Bank. Okay, HSBC Bank. अगला क्वेश्चन। Which country's Ahmed Nasser Al Raisi has been elected as the president of Interpol? So Ahmed Nasser Al Raisi is from UAE. Okay, UAE. अगला क्वेश्चन। Who among the following has been appointed as chairman of Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Custom? So this is Vivek Johri. Vivek Johri appointed president chairman of CBIC. अगला क्वेश्चन। Who has won the Best Actor Male Award at 6th BRICS Film Festival Award 21? So Dhanush. Okay, Dhanush. अगला क्वेश्चन। LIC has recently granted approval to LIC to hold 9.99% stake in which private bank? So this is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Okay, Kotak Mahindra Bank. अगला क्वेश्चन। Which country is soon going to get the world's first floating city? So this is South Korea. Okay, South Korea. अगला क्वेश्चन। सेवेंथ इंडिया इंटरनेशनल साइंस फेस्टिवल टू बी हेल्ड इन विच स्टेट? सो दिस इज गोवा। ओके, गोवा। अगला क्वेश्चन। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेट लॉन्च द कॉल योर कॉप मोबाइल ऐप? सो दिस इज नागालैंड। ओके, नागालैंड। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। विच सिटी इज ऑल सेट टू बिकम द फर्स्ट इंडियन सिटी टू स्टार्ट रोपवे सर्विस एज ए मोड ऑफ पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट? सो दिस इज वाराणसी। ओके, वाराणसी। अगला क्वेश्चन। विच स्टेट टूरिज्म लॉन्च द स्ट्रीट प्रोजेक्ट टू प्रमोट एंड टेक टूरिज्म डीप इनटू द इंटीरियर एंड रूरल hinterland? So this is Kerala. Okay, Kerala launched a street project for promote tourism in interiors and rural hinterland. Okay, अगला क्वेश्चन। Who has been appointed the new chief executive officer of Twitter? So this is Parag Agrawal. Okay, Parag Agrawal. अगला क्वेश्चन। Which bank has signed an agreement with USA International Limited for empowering women entrepreneurs by providing financial assistance? So this is MOU with State Bank of India. Okay, State Bank of India. अगला क्वेश्चन, India Rating and Research has project India's GDP for financial 21 how much percent? So this is 9.4%. Okay, 9.4%. अगला क्वेश्चन, Gobi has signed India's women cricketer as its brand ambassador. So this is Smriti Mandhana. Smriti Mandhana. अगला क्वेश्चन, Hornbill festival is celebrated in which state? So this is celebrated in Nagaland. Nagaland. अगला क्वेश्चन, RBI has appointed who among the following as the administrator of Reliance Capital Limited? So Nageshwar Rao Vai appointed administrator of Reliance Capital Limited. अगला क्वेश्चन, which state police has conducted the President's Color Award ceremony? So this is conducted by Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himachal Pradesh. अगला क्वेश्चन, DBS revised India's FY23 growth forecast to how much percent? So this is 7%. Okay, so according to DBS, India's FY2023 growth for 7%. अगला क्वेश्चन, according to a recent report, India will have how many nuclear reactor till 24? So this is total 9. Okay, till 24 India will have 9 nuclear reactor. How much loan has been approved by the ADB to help the government of India to improve the quality of the country's school education? So this is $500 million. $500 million. OECD has projected India's economic growth forecast at how much percent for financial year 22? So this is 9.4%. Okay, 9.4%. अगला क्वेश्चन, which bank has recently listed its USD 650 million green bonds simultaneously on the India International Exchange and the Luxembourg Stock Exchange? So this is State Bank of India. Okay, State Bank of India. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है इस वीडियो का. Who has been appointed as the new deputy managing director of IMF? So this is Geeta Gopinath. Okay, she is first woman appointed as this post. Okay, so दिसंबर फर्स्ट वीक के जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है उसको हमने इस वीडियो में कवर कर लिया है. और वीडियो देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस. हैव एन ऑसम डे. थैंक यू.